Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the reviews of a particular book on the Goodreads application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option. Here, if you scroll down, you are going to see that there is a vast variety of books listed here at your home page. So you can either select from these, or you can also type in the title, or you can also search by the name of the author. So tap on that one book that you are interested in and would like to see the feedbacks about. So scroll down, and here you can see all the reviews in the community reviews section. You can tap on the one that you would like to read. So here is the full review of that particular person. You can add comments to it, thereby generating a discussion, or also express that you like this review by clicking on the thumbs up button. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.